Hey guys, Tim Walling here with ATI Legal Carry. We train people to get a concealed weapons permit in the state of South Carolina. If you're in need of a CWP, please look us up online at atlegalcarry.com. What I want to show you today, and let's go ahead and clear this firearm out. We got our round out, chambers clear. Alright, so my 45, my ATI Fatboy. I love this firearm, and you can see it's been through a lot with me. It's taken a lot of wear and tear on it, a lot of rounds through it. Still runs and operates great. I like the lightweight frame on this firearm. Take a quick look here, and the safety is ambidextrous, so it's on both sides, but you can see how small the safety is on the firearm. So you can reach up and pop it and hold it down really easy to fire the gun, but yet you're less likely to hit it on anything. It's not quite as big as the other 1911 safeties on the newer models today. Now, this one does hold 13 rounds in it. It's a double stack magazine, a very small package in it, 3.5-inch barrel on this firearm, and it's the ATI the lightweight, the Fatboy, the lightweight one, okay? If you go looking for these things. I really like the gun a whole lot. One thing I always want to do is put an optic on it. So here's something that I come up with. I found a Novak sight optic mount for an RMR online. So I'm going to go push this out. I'm going to mount this plate on here and put an optic on here and just try it out for a little while. See how it runs, see how I like it on this firearm, and let's go install it. Alright, I grabbed a Holosun. It's got the photo cells on top. It's an 8 MOA circle dot. It is the shake awake. It does have an automatic setting on it, so the circle dot in this optic will get brighter with bright light conditions outside so that you can see it. It'll automatically do that. It'll run off the photo cells when there's light for it. If there's no light for these photo cells, it'll switch over to the battery to operate itself. Has a shake awake feature on it. So once it sits at rest, it turns off in 10 minutes. You can adjust that where it turns off in 30 minutes or it turns off in 60 minutes, or you can set it where it never turns off. That's just up to you at the setting. So let's get started with this ATI, and let's push these Novak sights out of this firearm. There we go. It is a 1/16. So 1/16 in the top here. We'll just unscrew that. Okay, got our Novak sights pushed out of there. Let's clean this up just a little bit. We've done our filing. We filed here, both sides. Let's try to install it. Got a little tiny bit of oil on here. Nylon mallet, we just want to tap it into position. So you want to make sure you center it up on here. So we got just a little bit overhang of the sights here and here on the bottom of the Novak sights. I hit the top of the slide here. What I want to do is just snug it down. See how the plate is sticking up off your slide here? So the rear screw is just keeping a little pressure on it so that you don't get any flex or rock in it. This rear screw back here, we put these two front ones in to hold it down. And now let's get our optic set on here. Now, what we're going to do is we're just going to tighten these up. You just want to crank them down till they stop. You do not want to put a lot of pressure on that optic yet, because remember, we're going to tighten one side down and then go back to the other side to tighten it down. 15 inch-pounds of pressure is what you're looking for. I've already got it set on 15 inch-pounds, so we're going to put it in, and here we go. There we are, 15 inch-pounds. 15 inch-pounds. Slide it back together. Pull it down to this matches up. Back in. Slide works. Slide catch works. Trigger works in the gun. Check your safety. Safety works. Take this one off. Back strap safety works. And we're ready to go. Firearm. So let's head out to the range and let's try this out. It's staying on nice and tight. It's definitely holding 0. We'll run some more rounds through it, shoot it for a while, I'll give you guys an update on how it's holding up.